Hello and welcome to the coding family. Today we will learn how to find the maximum value of a dataset in C++. I'll explain the theory behind each step so that you will be better equipped to grow and manipulate this basic algorithm. Let's start by looking at the end goal for this video. As you can see here, we're asked to input a value between 1 and 100. I set it to 100 as an arbitrary value. However, it just represents the amount of space available in the array. Then we input the values and the computer will return the largest value. Now that you know the end goal, let me know in the comment section below how you would grow and manipulate this concept to solve different problems. Okay, so the first two lines of code are just for C++ to have the necessary pre-built files, compile and conduct the necessary actions needed for this program. The first line is a preprocessor directive, which basically means that the line will call a pre-built file in order for us to see the input and output logic. The second line gives us the ability to use print statements and have access to different data types. A good rule of thumb for beginners is to include these two lines of code just to make sure we don't see any errors at the beginning. Next, we're going to set the starting point of our program, which is denoted by int main in C++. And because this is a function, we need curly brackets to encompass everything. Then we're going to declare variables and initialize the variables. When declaring variables, we always start with the data type, which could be an integer, decimal, string, or character. Then we're going to name the data type, in this case, n, largest, and r. The n will stand for the number of values that will be inputted. Largest will hold the largest value, and float array will hold all the numbers. The 100 can be changed based on how many maximum values you want to input. Now we're going to see words like cout, cin, and nline. Cout means character output, so your basically your print statement. Cin means character input, so your input statement. And nline means nline, so that we don't get all the inputs in one line. This section basically is for the user to tell the computer how many numbers they want to input. This next part loops through the amount of numbers that the user wants to input. Asks for a number and places the number in an array based on its position. This next loop loops to the array to find the largest value of the array. We set the variable largest to array 0 to make sure that we're acknowledging every value of the array. We don't set it to 0 because in the case that all the numbers are negative. That way we use array 0 to make sure that we are getting all the numbers in the array. We're going to loop through each value of the array, and then we're going to use that if statement to check if the previous number was greater than or less than the current value. If the current value is greater than the previous value, then largest is going to set to array value at the current position. Then we're going to use the print statement to print out the largest element. And we put that return 0 at the end just to close the loop because we have a return type of int at the beginning in the int main statement. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section down below what different algorithms you'd like to see in the future, and I'll see you next time.